So what I pretty much did to start up on a 51 Ford 8N, I had my throttle at about half, had my key turned on, pulled out my choke, then I pushed the button at the same time. Since I don't have my other hand available, since the tractor's already warmed up, it starts right up. I shifted the tractor into gear. You have your foot on the brake, have your clutch in. Since I'm going to put it into reverse, I'm going to put it up to the left, give it a little gas, and put the brake up, where it's right through the catch, I'm in reverse. The spot, put the clutch in, put the brake on, shift, I'm going to second. Release the clutch, wait for the catch, release the brake, and I'm in second. You go into third, put the clutch in, put the brake on, go back to your right, right corner, lift the brake, wait for the catch, go into third. You shift into first, put the clutch down, put the brake on, up to the left, that's the first. Slow speed. To go with the fourth, put the clutch in, put the brake on, straight forward up, get more gas, wait for the tractor to catch, release the brake, wait for the tractor to catch the clutch, wait for it to pick up speed, wait for it to catch, and here you go. This is fourth. Put the throttle down to stop, put the clutch in, put the brake on, pull out, and I'm in neutral. How you shut the tractor off depending on your carb settings. Ours, you can put the throttle all the way down and it'll run. Sometimes you can have the throttle go all the way down to where it kills the engine. But in this case, just turn the key off. Then your motor's off. If you want to use the hydraulics, you have your arm here, your hydraulic arm here, all the way up, that goes up, push it down, that goes down. Since this is a non-live PTO, you have to have the clutch in. My little PTO lever's over down in the corner. PTO's off, PTO's on. Please note, if you're using a tractor, you cannot. We also have a 3000. With the 3000 as a live PTO, meaning if you put the clutch down halfway, that disengages the transmission. If you put it down all the way, you'll have your you'll shut off your PTO. With this tractor, if you have the clutch down, you have to go to complete stop. Since the tractor is turned off, I cannot currently use my hydraulic arms. There's a current issue with them.